as believers, when we believe in Allah Al-Qawi, that name Al-Qawi should be reflected in our behavior. Again, if you are truly strong, does not mean you bully others and you offend others and you experience and you flex your muscles on weak people around you. Don't you ever flex your muscles on your siblings at home. They are not your enemy, definitely. Don't you ever, as a young man, flex your muscles on a woman. You say, oh, but she hurt me. Yes, of course, but men do not at all flex their muscles on women. Go and flex your muscles on the real enemy, the real bully, the real threat to your communities. This is what we should be reflecting on when we think about al-mu'min al-qawi, the strong believer, the believer who is strong in different areas of their life.
Watch the full video on our channel, Al Huda Mosque.